Alright, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to share you guys another tutorial on how to unlock or to read your locked note. Many people have requested me to do this tutorial again because I think a few years ago I also released this kind of tutorial, but it seems like some of you still could not figure it out since the changes of the iOS version. So in today's video, would like to make and share you guys with the same tutorial but probably different tips on how to unlock or read your locked note. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first let me create a new note and lock it. So to lock the note, you have to click on this and then go to locked note, and then you will be required to set a new password. So if you haven't done it before, let's do it now. Or if you have already set your own password, stay tuned until the end of this video because you might learn different ways to unlock your note. For your information, the password that I put at the moment is number 1 to number 8. And in order to lock, now your note is not locked yet. So in order to lock, you have to click on the lock sign or icon. Yeah, so this note is locked. To view the note, click on View Note and then just enter the password if you remember, because at the moment my password is from number 1 to number 8. But let me try randomly input the password to see if it works. No, it's not. So I am asked to type the password again. So number 1 to number 8, and I click OK. So the note now is unlocked and I can read it. So now I locked it again, because what I'm going to show you is not something like that. If you remember the password, why bother watching this video, right? So this is what I'm going to show you guys now. So imagine number 1 to number 8 is something that I don't remember. So what you have to do is to go to the setting, notes, go to password, and then click on reset password. When you click on reset password, you are asked to fill in your password of your Apple ID. Okay, so this is different. This is something completely different, guys. It is not your locked note, but this is your Apple ID password. And then you are able to reset your note password. Okay, so now I'm trying with the new password, which is 4 times and 5 times. Okay, and then I click done. The next thing that I want you to remember is after resetting a new password, you have to turn on the use of Touch ID. If you are using the iPhone X or XS, the Touch ID is not available. You might see a new feature in here, which is a Face ID. So make sure that the Face ID or the Touch ID is on. When you turn on for the first time, you are asked to fill in the new password that you have just reset it. So my new password is 4 times and 5 times. Okay, and then click OK, and now you can see this function is on, and then go back to the locked note. This is my locked note. Okay, so now let's try clicking on this note. Click on view. So I have two options. I can enter the password or I can use my Touch ID. So at the moment I unlocked with my Touch ID, but this is what I want to show you guys. If I enter the password 4 times and 5 times is not correct for this note. As you can see, the new password is not working on this locked note. That is why my suggestion is that after resetting a new password, make sure that you turn on the use of Touch ID or the Face ID, because this is the only trick that we can use to unlock or to read your locked note. Otherwise, you are not able to read your locked note if you still forget your old password. Okay, so let me do it again. This is my locked note. To unlock it, view the note and then use my thumb to scan on the Touch ID. That's it. So now I can open my note. My suggestion is that now you can open your note. You should select all this notes and then copy or cut this important information and then create a new note, paste it, and then you should lock this note. So then it will automatically lock with your new password. For example, the new password of my note is for 4 times and 5 4 times. Okay, but one thing is that what happens if your phone has no touch ID? For example, your touch ID is not working, it's error. So what should you do? So there are many ways. You can borrow your friend's phone and then sign in your account onto your friend's phone and then perform that trick. Or you can use your MacBook Pro, the one comes with the Touch ID, and then you can also perform this kind of trick. Okay, so I think that should be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial solve your problem now. Okay, so I'm happy to hear from you guys. Please let me know in the comment down below with any suggestion or any comments you would like to make. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that you won't miss useful videos in the future. Thanks.